Fox has picked up 9 additional episodes of new multi-camera comedy series The Cool Kids, bringing the full season order to 22 episodes. It joins its Friday companion, the breakout Last Man Standing revival, which had a full season 22-episode order from the start. The Cool Kids has done a respectable job holding on to a significant part of its Last Man Standing lead-in. The season 7 premiere of the Tim Allen star drew a 2.7 live plus 7 adults 18 to 49 rating and 13.4 million multi-platform viewers to date to rank as the most watched Friday regular comedy telecast on any network in 15 years, and Fox's most watched comedy on any night in 4.5 years. Leading out of that, the debut of The Cool Kids, 2 million, was the most watched Friday broadcast comedy debut in almost 6 years. While both shows slipped in week 2, Last Man Standing's ratings actually ticked up in week 3 while The Cool Kids stabilized with a very small dip. The two comedies have driven Fox to a No.1
finish on Friday among adults 18 to 49 for each of the first 3 weeks of the season. Written and created by Charlie Day and Paul Fruchbom, The Cool Kids revolves around 3 guy friends in a retirement community who are the top dogs until they're blown out of the water by the newest member of the community, a female rebel who's ready to challenge their place. It's high school with 70-somethings. Vicki Lawrence, Martin Mull, David Alan Grier and Leslie Jordan star. The Cool Kids is produced by 20th Century Fox Television, in association with FX Productions and 3 Arts Entertainment. Charlie Day, Patrick Walsh and Nick Frenkel are executive producers. Co-executive producer Paul Fruchbom created the series with Day. Emmy Award winner Don Scardino directed the pilot.
Charlie Day has given us a show that delivers the goods, hilarious stories and impeccable timing and chemistry between its stars, David Alan Grier, Vicki Lawrence, Martin Mull, and Leslie Jordan, said Fox Entertainment president Michael Thorn. On top of that, it has the perfect lead-in with Tim Allen and Last Man Standing. The Cool Kids are just that, and we're thrilled they're going to be on Fox for a full season. Earlier this fall, Fox gave a back 9 order to sophomore drama The Resident. Similar to LMS 911, which, like The Resident premiered last mid-season, had a full season 2 pickup from the get-go.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.